Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Subaru Crosstrek battery. First, gather your essential tools: a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and of course, your new battery. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. Always wear protective gloves and eye protection to safeguard yourself from any potential hazards during the process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Locate it under the hood, usually on the passenger side. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen the nut on the negative terminal first. Always remove the negative cable before the positive one to avoid electrical shorts. Once the negative is free, repeat the process for the positive terminal. Finally, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp or strap. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and terminal clamps thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully place your new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Tighten all connections firmly with your wrench, but be careful not to over-tighten them. You're almost done. Double-check all connections to ensure they are secure and tight. For added longevity, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. Now, start your vehicle to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly. Remember, proper disposal of the old battery is crucial. Take it to a certified recycling center. Great job, you've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.